for an adult, there's a charge that's punishable by 14 years and the other two by 10 years in this case.
The 17-year-old Montrealer who was allegedly planning a terrorist attack was back in court Friday. The teenager faces 5 charges, 3 of which are terrorism-related, after the RCMP alleged that the boy had pledged allegiance to the Islamic State and that investigators believe he was allegedly ready to carry out at least one attack on behalf of the terrorist group.
We're talking about terrorism offenses, more specifically gathering or collecting goods. We call it financing terrorism, gathering, collecting goods for the purpose of committing a terrorist activity, facilitating terrorist activity and participating in a terrorist group, and now it's the Islamic State.
The Crown has already filed notice to seek an adult sentence if the teenager is found guilty.
Those charges are serious enough that we believe that there was the opportune decision to seek an adult, and the judge will decide there's going to be here. If he's found guilty or if he pleads guilty, there would be a hearing to determine if, in fact, he will be treated as an adult at the sentence stage.
At youth court in Montreal on Friday, the defense requested to have proceedings delayed for 2 weeks because they say that they have not received all of the evidence from the Crown and that they need more time to prepare a release plan for their client. The Crown, however, is opposed to having the 17-year-old released on bail.
The Crown objected to his to bail on the first and second grounds, meaning that we believe that there's a flight risk, and we believe also that if he were set free, he may commit another criminal offense.
Psychiatrist Dr. Cécile Rousseau, also a McGill University professor who specializes in radicalization, says that young people are becoming increasingly interested in different forms of extremism, as is alleged in this case.
What we see presently in young boys in Quebec, but also in the rest of Canada, is an attraction for simple message certainties and solution. Who provide those certainty? Well, extreme right organization, atomwaffen organization, white supremacists, but also religious extremism. They all say, we have the answer.
The suspect, whose identity is protected because he is a minor, was arrested on August 20th in Montreal's Côte-des-Neiges NDG borough. The 17-year-old was also charged with assaulting a police officer and assault with a weapon causing bodily harm. The suspect is scheduled to return to court on September 12th, when a bail hearing date could be set. In Montreal, Gareth Madoc-Jones, City News.